What's going on, guys? Thank you for joining me on another Patreon video. I hope you're all doing very well. So we're going to be doing something else on the Fiesta today. They arrived literally a few moments ago, so that's good. I've been waiting all week for the new pedals to arrive, just to sort of enhance the very boring and dull Fiesta interior a little bit more, because this is a Zetec S. This is a very base model Zetec S, I'm guessing, apart from having air conditioning and electric windows. But other than that, there's nothing else really in here. There's no electric mirrors, no heat glass, which is good. Less to go wrong, I guess. But just to sort of enhance the interior a little bit more and to go with the silver dials, I've opted for some new ST150 Sport pedals to go on. These are genuine Ford pedals, and I have them, and now they've arrived, and I'm so excited to get them installed. I'll be doing a few more interior mods like later on, change all the interior, but for now, little things like this, get them done out of the way, and then we can move on to bigger stuff later on. And yeah, I'm so excited for this. So there's nothing else to say. You're all patrons, that's why you're here. You subscribe. I hope you're all doing very well. Let's get on with today's video. Let's spin the camera and I'll show you what the stock pedals look like compared to the new pedals we got. And yeah, I'm really excited. So let's go. So this is what we're going to be getting rid of, these horrible stock nasty, this is plastic, and the rubber coverings as well. Luckily you don't actually, I thought you have to change the whole pedal setup, but you don't, and these are just rubber covers over them, nice and easy to remove. But this one is going to be unplugging, so there's a few bolts down there, so I'm going to show you in a minute what tools you're going to need to do that. But this is a very simple, easy install to do. First things first, I'm going to do is remove my car mat because it is dirty and I don't really want to lay on that, and then find out what sort of tools we're going to need to undo the driver's side accelerator pedal. This is like electric, so there's no wires, there's no cable attached to this, so I think they call it a fly-by wire or something like that. So this is all just electric, so there's a little plug up there somewhere. You just need to reach up, unplug that, and undo the few bolts. So let me find out what size socket we need and then get to removing this, and I look forward to seeing the outcome in a minute. Okay then guys, so this is what we're going to just be using today. This is a nice simple easy install, anyone can do this. I'm guessing you can do it on your Focus ST as well, because I'm sure it's the same sort of setup. So what you're going to need basically is an extension like this and a 10mm, says on there 10, about to see it, socket, and your ratchet. That's what you're going to need. Now we're going to come back under here. You can see there's a screw there, there's two at the top there, and there's the plug socket. I'm going to reach up now and unplug that. Can figure out, oh I can't because this is in the way, so yeah, you do have to undo the pedal first and bring it down to unplug that, because it's way too close, this socket, this plug socket here, to this mechanism. It's really sharp under as well, so be careful when you're under there guys, alright? So let me get ready to undo that. Alright then guys, as you can see now I've finally got the pedal down. They get a little bit stiff near the end there, maybe because it's got like a locking bit to it, I'm not really too sure, but anyway, yeah, that's the pedal. Now unplugged. Well, not unplugged yet, we still need to unplug it, but removed from the mounting point up there. So first, next thing you're going to do is just take that plug off there, and then the next one should be nice and easy to do. Okay, so that's the plug done. So inside the plug here, there's a little tab here on the outside. Just need to get a flathead screwdriver in there on the top bit, pull that down, and it just releases from the actual pedal setup. So now I'm just going to go to the back of the car, make sure the codes line up to the ST ones. Yeah, just got to check the codes, make sure. Okay, join me in the back of the car. So I've just checked the codes. So I've checked the code on here compared to the ST one, exactly the same. The code on the top there, and the only thing that's different on that code and the top code is that one says 11 on it, this one says 6. So that must be like a dispatch number, like on how many, this could be like 11 out of the batch, that could be 6 out of the batch, I'm not entirely sure. But the rest of the codes are exactly the same. So the C95YE, C995YE, yep. And yeah, so they should work. If it doesn't work, all I'm going to do, I've just looked at the back of this, and it's just got these metal clips on there, right? I'll bend them back. I might be able to just slide that off and slide it on over that piece, and then I can use the original pedal setup. I'm going to plug this in quickly, start the car up, and see if it reacts. It should do. I shouldn't see why not. There's just the interiors are exactly the same. It's got the same amount of pins there, and yeah, it's the same setup. It should work straight out of the box. So let's go and stick it in and see what happens. Oh, that looks nice already. I'm just going to temporarily put that in place there, like that. And I'm just going to start the engine and see if it reacts. Okay then guys, so that works. First of all, what happened, as I started it up, it did beep a little bit. Obviously just knows that it's a little bit different, but it beeped, and then the beep stopped, and then I'm guessing it's alright. So I'm just going to plug it in now and do it back up, and then we'll move on to the next ones. So next time you see this pedal guys, it should, as you can see now, I'm just installing that, it should be done. So I'll see you guys in just a little bit. Oh man, that looks good already. Look at that, compared to those rubber ones. Next one, right, we're going to do now is these ones. So you should just lift up under here. It should just be rubber, however rubber. Might be a bit tight. Like that, you see. Just lift up over that. Top piece, top left hand corner, top right hand corner. And then that's it, that's all they are. It's just two rubber slip-ons, like socks. Very, very simple, cost effective, and cheap to do. So let's go and get the other ones. Let's do a little bit of before and after. Yeah, it looks much better. Alright then guys, so there we go. There's the ST Fiesta pedals installed in my Fiesta. And god damn, that looks much better. I know it's just pedals. I know, like I said, the ST ones have it, but that just so totally transforms that sort of dull, dark, boring look in there now. Who would have thought it, eh? Just a few stainless steel sort of pedals. They look fantastic. I'm just going to get in of a quick feel. Alright, there we go then guys, that's the ST150 pedals installed in the ZSD, and that looks absolutely fantastic. Oh man, standing back here now, it's brilliant. I'm happy with that. So that's what they look like, and that's what the stock ones look like. Yeah, nasty and horrible. There we go then guys, thank you so much for watching this Patreon video, and I will catch you on my next video. Stay tuned for that. Thanks very much for watching guys. I'll see you later on. By the way, the splitter episode that you saw at the beginning, I did end up doing rear splats in the back of the Fiesta. Just sort of finishes off a little bit, doesn't it? So that's now the splat's done, the splitter and the pedals. I like that, that's very nice. I'll see you guys on the next episode. Take care of yourself. AJ is out of here.